my dear friends and my honorable elders and little brother sister. Welcome to my English first lecture. Today's in this video, I am going to tell you that how I improve my English lecture, English fluency. So, without wasting any time, so let's get started. First of all, I would like to introduce about myself. My name is Amir Hussain. My father name is Rafiqul Islam. My mother name is Amdia Khatun, and I belong from Assam Udalguri district. And I am reading in class 12 from science stream. Basically, class 1 to 10th, I had to read in SMS medium school. However, I am able to get English fluency. What is the result behind of it? I will explain with you. So, watch this video till end. So, let's get started. So, first of all, I want to say, or I like to say, if you want to do something for your life, then you have to be adopt hard work. Without hard work, you can't achieve. So, first of all, you have to adopt hard work and you can everything. So this is not our main theme. Our main theme is that what is the skills we have to adopt by which you can acquire the English fluency. Whenever you sit on your study table or hit the books, at first you have need to say on yourself that I will speak English in fluently. I will and speak English fluently. I have confidence. You have to say with you, and you have to use the dictionary. With the help of dictionary you are able to get vocabulary section. So vocabulary section is one of the most important. Vocabulary section you are able to improve from your NCRT. Let's say you sit on your study table and you have to study in proper way. Whenever you have to proper study way, then the word meaning you have to strike, then you do which word meaning strike you, and that word meaning you have to note down. This word meaning will help you whenever you going to fluency in English. And another thing is that I want to say what are the skills that you have to adopt by which you can become English fluency. So I want to say that first is you have to avoid the grammatical mistake, and you have to memorize vocabulary. And third number is practice. The practice is one of the most important. Basically, class 6 to 10 we able to get all the grammatical rules from our XYZ teacher, but there is no any problem. But also our friends and our XYZ friends asked me that I'm able to get everything the rules of grammar, but I am unable to speak English in fluent. What is the reason behind it? As answer, as far as I know, it is just because of lack of practice. If you do practice in any particular subject, then you will be stronger person as compared to another person. Let's say you are a maths teacher and you are a XYZ any owner of any institute, and that particular position you have to hard work, you have to practice more and more. Whenever you do practice more and more in any particular section, this particular section is become easy for you. So that's why you have to practice more and more. For thank you for today, today's video, and I will meet you in the next class. Thank you, best of luck.